Hey folks, it's another episode of Shop Talk with Dave. Thanks for coming by. And today we're going to talk about batteries. Now, I've got a car out here that the battery, I've charged it and it won't stay charged. So it needs replacing. So today I'm going to replace it. I'm going to show you how to replace a battery. Stick with us. Okay, so we're back and we've got a Passat here, Volkswagen Passat. The battery's gone. So the way we do is the first thing we do is locate in order to order a battery, you have to go find out the production date and the VIN number. So in this case, it was a 2011. This is the hood. Today, we're going to open the hood. So the way you open the hood is find the hood release, which is right here on this one. And then we're going to go out here and open the hood and start taking the battery out. Okay, so we're here at the shop. We're getting ready to open the hood, and I'll show you the battery. Pop the hood on the inside. Now we're going to open it. It's got a release button right here, safety release. And if you don't have that, you'll need to get one if yours is broke, because what will happen is if the hood pops open a little bit and you go up the road, air will blow it away. So we don't want that to happen. Today, this is the battery here. It's a Duracell battery, and we're going to take it apart, so stay tuned. Okay, well, I've got an extension for taking off the battery terminals and also taking off the battery out of the tray. So let's check it out. The one for the tray is I think it's a 13. Yep, it's a 13. This is a little short, so I can go with a longer extension. These extensions are pretty nice because they've got a place for a ratchet, but also you can hand turn it. And when you pull it on, you pull this back and just put it in there, locks right in and won't fall out when you're working with it. So then take it off from there, and there you go. Almost out. Now this is the don't want to lose that bolt. And this is the retainer that holds the battery down. Now on this retainer, if this isn't in here, it will not pass state inspection. So it's important that you have that. And then we're going to go with the number 10 on this to take the terminals off. And I didn't think ahead enough, but I should have brought the battery out already. But we'll do it together. How about that? We will do this together. That way you'll see the whole process. There's that. So they're loose. I'm just going to pull the negative off. Now the negative is always the black wire. The positive is the red wire. However, in this case, this looks like a brown wire. You need to always look and see. Right here, I'll show you, is the positive side of the battery. And this is the negative side of the battery. And here, look right here. There's the date it was manufactured, 12/19. So I think it's had its course. And batteries are usually good for 3 years, maybe sometimes 4 years. And they usually have handles on them, which in this case they do. So I'll use that to pull it out. And I might need a little more muscle, so I got to get over here a little bit further in, grab it like that. There you go, there's your battery. Now let me go get the other battery. We'll get the other battery. So here's the new battery that I got. And if you'll remember correctly, the positive or the red one goes to the front. There you go. There it's in there. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to secure the battery to the tray. And in doing so, we don't want to lose it. So here's a bolt that goes in it. We'll put that in it. And going to have to use the socket put on there and then put it in. Just like that. Just like that. Tighten that up, and then we'll continue on with installing the battery. There it goes, it's tight. Hand tight. It's all right. Now this is the positive lead here. We're going to pull this off here. We'll put on here because we're done with this battery. They're going to charge us a core charge, so we want to make sure that we return that. Core charges, when they get the battery back, they will give me my money back. And in this case, because we're a shop, they will give us, as long as we're, say we got a core, then they won't charge us for it. Now, when I put that on, I heard a spark. So there was some kind of something that was maybe a parasitic draw. We'll have to see on that, find out. Now I'm going to tighten her up, tighten the cables up. That's tight. You don't want to get them too tight. Don't ever want to over tighten the battery. There you go, plenty tight. That's the way you put a battery in. Good job.